What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another edition of Dad Does Videos. Spruce, the weed and grass killer from P&G, is one of the best of these products on the market. You start to see weeds and grass die within about an hour, and they're typically gone within a couple days. I've put this thing to the test, and as I've said, I'm really impressed with it. You could watch that video right now if you click the link on your screen. Now, I've heard from some people, and I've seen some people talk about how this product is not working for them. And what's come out in some of those conversations is that they're applying it incorrectly. They're applying this product like you would a traditional weed and grass killer. And the way that you apply spruce is a bit different. You have to drench the entire weed or the entire clump of grass. You can't just shoot the root. You can't just shoot a few leaves on the weed. So I'm going to demonstrate that difference. We are going to take 3 weeds in my yard. We're going to completely drench one. We are going to just spray the root of another, and we're just going to hit a few leaves, maybe half of another weed, and show you the difference over an hour, a day, and 2 days, so you can see how important it is that you apply this the correct way. Bonus for us today, I want to show you how creative the refill is for Spruce. As you can see here, I've got kind of the standard bottle of Spruce with the wand sprayer. I'm about out of this. So typically what you'll have with your traditional weed killers is your refill, and you have to kind of dump the refill in your spray bottle that initially came with a product, or maybe you have your own spray bottle. Well, you open it, sometimes it spills all over the place, might get on your hands. Somebody was thinking when they designed this. So again, this is my refill. All you have to do is remove the top, squeeze these 2 white buttons on both sides of the bottle that you're typically working with your wand. The whole contraption pops off the top of your previous bottle, wand still included. You just press down on your new one and you're ready to go. All right, we're going to completely drench this one, get all the leaves. This one's completely dead. We're just going to spray the root of this weed. And this weed's still going strong, even though we doused the bottom of the weed right at the root. We're just gonna hit a few of the leaves on this weed. Just the leaves that we sprayed on this weed are dead. Hopefully that helps you better understand how important it is to ensure you apply Spruce weed and grass killer in the correct way. It makes a big difference in the effectiveness of the product. Thanks for watching, everybody.